Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel Faiz Learning Board, and today I again come with the information regarding the SSB interview details. As you know guys, in this channel I am giving the information regarding the SSB interviews which was conducted recently any SSB center. So today I have information regarding the TES 48 entry which was conducted on the 27th of October 2022 on the 24th SSB Bangalore, and I am gonna be discussing about this particular entry. But before moving forward in this video, I have one request to all of you. If you have any data regarding SSB interview and if you want to share the details of SSB interview, then you can let me know in my Telegram as well as my Instagram. Both IDs are same, mohdfaiz15y, and you can also mail me on this particular Gmail ID, that is mohdfaiz15y@gmail.com, so that lot of students can benefit from this particular series and from this particular channel. Because if you share the data, then a lot of students can get something from these data and they can be well in his upcoming SSB interview. So moving forward from this video, first of all talking about some basic details of the SSB interview details. So first of all, reporting on the specific date, that is 27th of October in 24th SSB Allahabad, that is 202, यानी कि 202 candidates was reported on the specific date and Bangalore, and how many screened in I will discussing in the at last of this video. So make sure you watch this video till end. In 203, in 202, some are freshers, some are screened out, and some are repeaters, as you know guys. And the second so now moving forward, the first test of the SSB, that is OIR test. As you know guys ki the first test in the SSB conducted as a OIR, that is Officers Intelligent Rating. In this test they provide two booklets in which some questions are written and you have to solve within the specific time. So at the same center, that is 24 SSB Allahabad, the DIPR booklet number is 34 and 53 and 54 was provided, in which 50 questions each, and the time allotted for the 35 minutes for each. It means you have to solve 50 questions within 35 minutes for each booklet, 53 as well as 55. In the OIR test, the questions regarding the some basic reasoning, but in which there is no question of dice, but the lot of questions regarding the next figure series, that is the lots of questions asked from this particular chapter, but no questions of dice was asked in that OIR test. So that is the first test of the SSB interview. After this particular test, there is a next test, that is PPDT. In this test they shown a picture to you guys, and you have to observe that picture within 30 minutes 30 seconds, and you make a story around that picture. So now talking about what is the image were shown at that center, that is 24 SSB Allahabad. So the image is too hazy, unable to see properly, as I asked from the Varun, and I first of all I thank to him ki he gives this valuable information. So he told me ki the picture is too hazy, unable to see properly. So same picture I found on the Google, that is around something like that, but not accurate picture. But if you observe this picture, then let me know in comments what will you make the story around this picture. So it is, and also share to your friends, they also make stories around this, and let me know in my comments section. So that is the picture, it is something like that, not that actual picture. So that is the picture were shown to the SSB interviews. That is the second test, that is PP and DT. So after this picture you have to went for the discussion. So in the discussion they make a group of 20 peoples, and you have to narrate your story within 1 minute, and after that the GD will start. So in the group was meant for 30 persons, in which there are 3 assessors were assess you from your voice and from your narrations. That is the test of discussion test. So after that the whole process was completed, and they will announce the result. So now talking about what is the result of this particular day. So in this particular SSB center 24 SSB Allahabad, only 42 candidates was screened in. That is very less number. As you know guys ki in the direct entry there is a lot of there is a very less screening ratio, because in the comparison to the other SSB centers. Like if you went for SSB for any examination through, then it is a high screen ratio. In case if you visit for a direct entry, that is a TES entry, TGC entry, and NCC entry, in these entries there is a very less ratio of screen in. So only 42 candidates got screen in which 32 are freshers, 6 are screen outs, and 4 are repeaters that was screened in on that particular day out of 202. That is a very less number. Out of 202, only 42 candidates got screened in. So that is the whole whole details of the SSB interviews. Now talking about the Varun's review, what he told me about his experience. So he told me कि Bangalore is giving preference for freshers only, because as you see कि only out of 42 candidates, out of 42, 32 got screen in that are freshers. So you observe that ki Bangalore giving preference to the freshers. So that is a very good thing for the fresher, not for the repeater and screen outs. So that is the Varun's review history ki Bangalore is giving the preference only freshers. And after that he told me narration and GDB it is something very good, and the assessors give a lot of time to narrate his story and for discussion. So that is his review from his side. And again I thank to Varun who shared this particular and valuable information to all of you guys. So thanks to Varun, and write in comments to thank you to thanks to Varun also. So that's all from this video, and hope you like the video. If you like, then thumbs up the video and share with all your SSB aspirants so they also know about this particular date. And in case if you have any data, any SSB details, then you can surely let me know in my Telegram as well as my Instagram. Both IDs are same, mohdfaiz and 15y, and you can also mail me on this particular email ID, that is mohdfaiz15y@gmail.com, because a lot of students can benefit from this particular channel and from this particular series, that is SSB interview details. Hope you do, and if you visit first time this channel, then subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon, because in the upcoming days I will be uploading more videos regarding the SSB interviews details. So make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon. And one more thing, you save this particular playlist. That link is the I button, because in this playlist you got all of the details of SSB interview details, because in this channel I have a lot of content, so might be possible you got confused about confused with the SSB. So save this particular playlist for your SSB details. So फिर see you in the next video with another video. Meet you in the next time.